Now here I'm just using the rear brake, letting the engine do its natural braking and not do too much, to be honest. So rear brake and second gear. That is one hell of an amazing place and an amazing view. The observation platform was just breathtaking. And who wouldn't want their own helicopter waiting there for them, huh? And there are the mountains in the distance, snow-capped. This is an amazing part of the world, and I love it. Remember to go nice and slow down here. Group of motorcycles. I haven't seen that for a long time. There we are, 4 kilometers to Barcelona. And we get to do these lovely little windy roads. I'm going to have to remember there's going to be some police around here shortly, so I'm going to have to be really careful. Now you'll notice I'm late braking coming into the corners. And that's because I can trust Sam for the last second, hit the brake when I need to, not just because I have to. Now, one of our subscribers made a valid point, and I'm going to explain why I do it this way. He wanted to know why I ride this close to the centre line, considering that it's not me that I have to worry about, it's the vehicles coming towards me. Now, yep, absolutely, fully agree. The vehicles coming towards me are the ones that could cause me a problem. But being taught by the police to ride, I ride in a whole different way than most people do. The police taught me to ride slightly more aggressively. And I have all of the lights on. So I do, people do see me. Between Sam and myself, we're a fair size. There's quite a bit of us, so we don't have to worry really about oncoming traffic. Because the one good thing is, if something does hit us, man, it's going to come off as bad as we are. Not that I want anything to hit us, but it's all about understanding and accepting what my risk mitigation is. My risk is I'm prepared to ride in the style that I do, because for me it works. I've ridden like this since, well, police training 50 years ago. I've had numerous different courses, and what I'll try and do is I recommend a number of different courses for both UK, Europe, and for the US as well. So what I'll do is I'll include those into the link and talk a little bit more about them offline. But when I say that I do training courses, I go back to basics about every 2 years, and I go through the process of just being able to redo what I need to understand, and it's just like a refresher course. keeps you fresh and keen and lean and mean. And also, it doesn't hurt the insurance either. So being having some of these courses and everything else means that you don't really have to worry about insurance costs, because they do lower the cost if you do some of the courses. Now, I am an advanced motorist. Nice one, my friend. Now, you see what I mean about being aggressive? You check for the aggression and you can counter it. So he was decided that he was just going to push me out the way. He's in the car, he doesn't really give a shit. Now, if I wasn't videoing, I'd have taken his wing mirror, because financial pain teaches people, believe me. And yep, I am a mean motherfucker when it comes to people trying to endanger bikers. In my younger days, unfortunately, yes, I was an angel. Not an angel, a hell's one. So I've been there, done that, and yep, literally got the scars. But it also means that I understand what makes a bike tick. So literally, I've got my wings, various different colors. If you're aware of Hell's Angel traditions, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But going back to the question, yes, I do ride aggressively, and I do. I just missed my spot. So, well, oh well. I do ride aggressively, and I do not take prisoners. You can forgive a genuine mistake, but if there's an asshole riding or driving, no, I don't forgive that at all. They chose to be an asshole, and that is unacceptable. So that is something that I don't allow or don't permit anywhere around me. Riding should be fun, and it should be a pleasure. And the reason that we do ride is to get that stupid grin on our faces. I do anyway. I don't really want to get into conflict with everybody. I don't see the point in it. The days of the UK, I'll know this, the muds and the rockers, is long gone, long gone. And my brothers in the US, you'll know that being an angel is a lot more than riding around on a motorcycle looking cool. There's a code, and the code is respect. And it's respect to all road users, regardless. Again, with a lot of the stoplights, I'm going to cut the majority of the time out of these, because they are boring as hell. Cool building. are officially bored now. Rows and rows and rows of scooters. A few bikes thrown in there.